What is up, guys? It's been forever since I started a vlog. Crazy, I can't believe I still chopped off my hair. Like, I cut my hair about almost 2 weeks ago. And it's pretty crazy. Didn't expect I was gonna do it. I just got up one day and I was like, let's go cut my hair. It's crazy. I had like a couple appointments, but I didn't go through with it. Nah, I don't want to do it. And then so like at the very last moment, I was like, you know what, screw it. Let's just go get it done. Did that. Pretty much that was it. I mean, it's all gone. So today what we are doing, guys, we are going to Jose's house. We are gonna go install some carpet into 240, and we're just gonna have a good time doing that. So I'm sorry, I feel like I haven't been really uploading any videos just due to my personal life and stuff like that. I mean, yeah, I did upload a video last weekend. I think it was last weekend. I did upload a video, but that video was made like 2-3 weeks ago. I mean, I did get a new job. I am currently working at Ford now. I do not work with Jose or Oscar anymore, sadly. I don't get to see him as much, but when I do get to see him, I make the best of it because those are like my good friends that I'm always hanging out with and vlogging. So let's go see Jose. I'm pretty sure you guys are psyched to go see him because he hasn't been in a video in a while. And maybe Oscar would be there. That'd be very, very dope. He has a YouTube channel. You should go check him out. He has some dope content coming out, especially the one from yesterday. Make sure to go check his channel. I'll leave a link in the description, or I'll put it somewhere over here so you guys can go check his channel out. So guys, let's go to Jose's house. I'll see y'all there. What is up, guys? We're at Jose's house, and this is what we'll be doing today. We'll be installing some new carpet in the Black Mamba. So he already fucking gutted everything out. He already took all of the fucking dash off. What he'll be doing is just taking the old carpet out and putting the new one in. It shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be hard at all. And let me show you so here's one part that we did yesterday on with the headliner. So the rest of the headliner that we had, we decided to put it on the center console, and it's like super dope. The filling's really cool. It's like a suede, and then it has like some type of rubber material. It's really cool. I'll show you guys the headliner later. Okay. So that's what we'll be doing today, guys. We'll be putting this dope ass full black carpet. I'm pretty sure he already opened it. He got super excited and shit. So I guess I'll be making this part of the I don't know, like a build series for the 240 for him. So there's a black carpet in there. So we'll be doing that. Start the process. Let's begin. Let's get this shit. Let's got it. Let's got it. We just got the carpet out. I don't know if you can hear me because Jose's vacuum is super loud, and there's a train right there, so I'm sorry. But yeah, we took the carpet out already. Pretty much this thing's gutted. So after he's done cleaning all that, we're gonna put the new carpet in and put everything back together. I mean, like I said, it's a really simple job. It's not as hard as you guys think. I mean, like, taking the dash off would probably be the hardest, but I still think that would be an easy job to do. Yo guys, if you fuck with Darling and the Friend, I fuck with you. 02 is fucking hot. Oh, why are you gonna do it like that? You're gonna get it all dirty. Do it like a man. You can put it on my car. I can spread it all out. Now we gotta put that bitch in that bitch.
Yeah, bitch.
That bitch and that bitch. It's gonna be a fucking bitch. I think this is probably gonna be the hardest part, guys.
We're gonna use the other carpet to see where the holes are at. So what we're pretty much gonna do is like,
We're gonna lay it out.
yeah, we're gonna lay it out.
That's probably the biggest cut.
The center console.
Yeah, the center console. All right, we'll see what we can do. We'll figure something out, guys.
We always do.
I don't guarantee we'll finish this video by today, but we're gonna try for you guys. We'll try to get the carpet installed by today. But if not, maybe part 2 will come out. Or I can be a dick and just not film it at all. Let's put it in today. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, what we're doing, we are putting the old carpet onto the new carpet. Yeah, it's like a stupid idea, but I think it's pretty smart. And what we're gonna do is just cut how it is. We hope for the best. Well guys, I guess we're gonna have to go buy some scissors because Jose doesn't have any. I'll see y'all at HEB. Scissors. Support your boy. Help him get new Vans. What's up, guys? We just got back with the choppity chops, and we're gonna get to it. He's moving the 240. Oscar's on his way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut and cut and cut and cut, and then chop our way into it. So. Clean it.
Oh, I got this shit. I got it all on tape. I didn't miss anything. Oh.
So guys, we have the carpet in. Nice and black.
They like it.
From the waist down.
What'd you say?
Oh, I need some stuff.
So guys, Oscar's leaving. Go check out his channel.
And then, hey,
Oh, he broke it.
Oh yeah, Jose.
we need funds to buy him.
We go fund me account. Jose be twerking on the Z's too much.
Show him the dance.
Sorry guys, let me tell you the other fucking booty smasher he did too, the Z. His fucking his ass hit that thing so hard. All right, Oscar, we'll see ya.
Later, bro.
See ya.
No burnout.
Do burnout for the Z. Do the burnout with the Z. What are you doing? My mans. What are you doing, my mans? So guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. We'll probably come back and finish the rest of it. But guys, I wanted to ask you about doing my headliner, something like this on the Lexus. Oh, Jose's gonna go get it and I'll show you. So guys, this is what we did yesterday on Jose's headliner. He got this really nice, dope fabric, and basically he just glued it on, and that's it. So leave a comment down below if you think I should do something like that to the IS350. Under here, all this. I was thinking about doing like having lights, like little shiny lights that change color like everywhere would be fucking dope. I think that'd be pretty cool as a headliner design. But anyways guys, leave a comment down below what color or what do you think I should do. Something dope. I would like a Japanese theme. That would be pretty dope to do on the IS350, because that looks fucking sick. I love how this is. This is so dope. That's really cool. So guys, I hope y'all made it this far into the video, seeing the progress that we are doing with the 240 tail lights. There's more in store coming in for this build, and I'm super stoked for Jose. It's gonna be fucking sick seeing everything done. It's gonna be pretty dope. Guys, hope y'all enjoyed today. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I'll check y'all guys out on the next one coming soon.